Hydrate. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. Typically I post things on Thursdays and Sundays when life is going good, so we'll see how this goes. Today we're gonna be playing with this cute little Colourpop palette that I've had in my, like, it's been on my dresser, and then on my desk, and then on my counter, and back on my desk. And then I saw Taylor Wynn had the prettiest brown eyeshadow, and I fell in love. And I'm like, I know it's not fall, but pumpkin spice is here. So we're going to be playing with the Bare It All, yeah, quad eyeshadow palette, or sorry, pressed powder palette. Does any of this say not safe for around eyes? No. So it's just the Bare It All palette. Wow. I'm going to play with this. See how it goes. Ooh. Trying to pull my hair back. I hope this goes well. Most Colourpop, looks like some of it got broken into the pan. Here's what it looks like. Beautiful, gorgeous. We're full on matte. That's right here where you can't see. We're matte, like it's all matte, and I love it, and I think this is gonna be great. I'm excited. And I normally try to use all the colors. Like when I get a palette, I try to use as many colors as I possibly can. But honestly, I kind of just want this one. But knowing me, I'm probably going to go for all of them. Do you have names? I mean, they do. There's like, one of them says full bodied, original, flaunt it, and real deal. But like, I can never tell, is this real deal? And this is flaunt it. And this is original, and this is full bodied. I'm not 100% sure. But we're just going to be digging into this, and by we, I mean me. Let me get my brushes. Let me snag my brushes, my little brush cleaner. I'm just going to be digging in and going for it. We'll see how this goes. I want it to be nice. It doesn't need to be fantastic. All I'm doing is getting my hair done today. I like how I say like all I'm doing. But I cleared my schedule just to get my hair done today. It's kind of a big deal. I love it. Anywho, let's dig in. I'm going to come in with this one here to do like an all over transition-y kind of shade. Does that make sense? Sort of? Yeah, let's do it. And yeah, I have my contacts on so I can use my far away mirror. I forget it's Colourpop and the pigment is there. That's okay. We'll blend. Blend. Trust the process. It is a mess right now, but it maybe won't be later. And I do take it not just like above the crease, below the crease, but I drag it to the bottom too. Just so we have some sort of uniform color. Gorgeous. Okay. And of course, this eye comes out better than the other one. I'm adorable. Anywho, then I want to come in with this one. I kind of want to do like an all over the lid look. Oh, I don't know if I want to pack it in or not. Like, I'm torn. We'll come in with the big buffer brush. Big buffer brush. And then if I feel fancy, I'm going to come in with like the thinner brush and pack it in there. So let's, or thinner brush. Thicker. This is so pretty. I do want to come in with a little bit more I do want to come in with a little bit more of this medium, almost darkest brown, just to pack it on. Yeah. I think this is as much color as I'm going to get from this one. It's still lovely. Yeah, that's pretty. I do want to come in with a little bit of this like super dark brown, like just tippity tip it, and try to stay near my crease, just on this like outer edge here, for a little bit of depth. See, little. I can't help but make the V. Like, is that just like me and how I like learn to do things? The little outer V. I like the depth. Okay, other side, and then I'm gonna come back and blend a bit. Why is the one side always better than the other? This looks nice. I don't like how the light from outside is suddenly coming out, and it's making this whole thing look different. But I can't really change it. That's okay. This looks so good. How is this happening? I'm making this happen, that's for sure. I want to do my eyebrows so I can make them darker too, because this is beautiful. Should I do just, and I know I already tried to close it. I'm going to do this one just a smidgen on the inner corner. And then fan it back. Same thing here. Okay. Oh, that looks pretty good. Like, I didn't just do all of this. This is nice. I know. Okay. This is beautiful. Mascara real quick. Big buns. Oh, okay. So this came out real good. I feel so fall. I love it. I didn't intend to do like these little, like the edges of my eyeshadow so sharp, so I want to like lessen them, but they are what they are, so I guess I'm just gonna stick with it, see how it goes throughout the day. I do want to put on a lipstick, but I'm not sure if I want to go super fall or keep it kind of light. Like, if it was up to me, I'd be wearing the dark, what was that Fenty one I had? It was like the prettiest dark purple ever. But I'm gonna stick with this lip oil for now. And then tinted lip oil. Yep. Cute, right? I know. JK. I love these eyes. They look so good. And I'm like, I was iffy on the fence about adding the liner to it, but I think it's going good without the liner so far. So happy. Maybe next time I'll try it with a liner. We'll see. I did try out a new setting spray today as well. Makes my skin feel kind of dry, but it looks good. Except for like right here around my nose, but that's neither here nor there. I'm still trying it. We'll see how this goes. Anywho, this is my look with the Colourpop shadow. It's not shadow palette. It's a pressed powder palette because they don't say eyeshadow. Anyway, this is the Bare It All pressed powder palette from Colourpop that I have on my eyes today, and it looks gorgeous. I love it. Let me know if you guys picked up this cute little cutie. Why are you dirty? Oh. Let me know if you guys ended up picking up this cute little palette, this little quad pressed powder palette. Can I just call it eyeshadow? What is the point? Like, I mean, I know what the point is, because like some things you can't put near your eye and it's not meant for there, but you can put it by your eye, and they want you to put it by your eye, but they don't want to tell you to put it by your eye, you know, like legal stuff. Anyway, dirty little doodle. So this is the look I came up with my Bare It All pressed powder palette from Pressed Pigment palette. Pressed Pigment? Pressed powder? What do you call yourself? Pressed powder palette from Colourpop. I think this is gorgeous. I do. Next time I'm for sure going to be putting liner. But I love this. I love fall. Oh, my falls are going to be browns. Like, that's what I'm excited about. Browns. It's going to happen. I'm doing it. I love it. Anywho, I'm going to go. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.